Hey guys, how you doing? Almost stock. Steve. So, I suck. I didn't update a lot. I was just getting stuff done and not filming a lot, but I'm gonna turn you around here and give you just a still not boosted. I believe we did the whole downpipe. Still the wastegate, need to do that. I'll show you some pictures, but I got the radiator mounted in there. The intercooler is mounted, and oh hey, and it's registered. That part's kind of cool. So I've been dailying this. Had the master go bad, so my rear brakes didn't work. Those work now, and right now, it's an LSD, and it's not gonna be no more, cause Steve's gonna weld this ass diff, whole ass, burnouts for life. But it's running real good, sounds real good, drives phenomenal. Still having to fix the daily. That needs a brake line and a clutch. But kind of just been dailying it and whatnot. And it's real fun. And I got my cord today to do live data logging. So I'm gonna get a couple Snapchats of that. Right now, I would like you guys to enjoy just a few little pulls and clips and pictures I have of this thing to give you an idea of what I went through. So let you watch those and we'll get back to you when I'm welding. Got it? Yep. Steve is happy camper. Fucker just kicks the tires loose. Yep. Again. Fucking thing is fast. I don't know where my computer went. Launched out of here.
That'll be fun when it pauses. Hey, I like.
So, I'm going to take this off, and Steve is going to weld this diff. The first time I've done this. I watched quite a few videos. I wanted to buy a spool and bolt it in, but then I'm paying somebody to reset the lash and send it in to be put together. I want to do that stuff in my driveway. But it's going to act the same as a welded diff. And when I buy an actual locker, a push button locker, if this becomes obnoxious, I need to replace the carrier anyway. So we're just gonna send this to the moon, and that's life. Got some RTV. Got a nice little MiG 140 and some plates. That's all we're using. Hopefully this takes less than an hour to do. But yeah. So. Sorry I kind of fell off there for a hot second. I know you guys probably all excited. Hey, it's running. Let's see what it does. It does things. I need to finish weld this exhaust. Still haven't done that. Oh, lazy bum! But anyway, like I said earlier, this ought to be fun. I don't need that. I'm gonna cut that all the way off. Okay. Y'all know what bolts look like. I'm gonna pull the rest of these, clean it out. I'll show you what we get then, okay? Oh yeah, love it. It's nothing quite like the aroma of gear oil. Did this much really leak out? Oh yeah, I got barely any in here. Good thing I'm doing this. It leaked. Oh, there it is. There it is. Right, Colonel. Oh man, stinky, stinky, stinky stuff. I tell you what. And I hope this music doesn't ruin what's going on. Woo! Well, it looks like things. Show you. Check that disgusting out. Here, let me flip you around. Alright, so. Well, see how those spin? I don't want them to. That's all that needs to happen. So we'll roll it until I can get a couple good gear faces. We'll weld at each gear. And then hope for the best. That's what we'll do. It's a really tight fit in there. Oh well. Now I'm guessing this is some kind of speed gear, so maybe I can get a different speed sensor? Yeah? Ah, possibly. Alright, I'm gonna clean this out. Alrighty. So, I have this MiG 140. Cleaned her out with brake clean. I got this torch. We're gonna hopefully not explode right now. So we're gonna get these hot a little bit so I can penetrate them better. And then run a weld. I'm gonna start up here in the top corner where they're meeting the best. Then I'll go down here and do that one. Then I'll try and get as tight over here as I can in here. And then we'll plate it. And then I'll do the other side. Hopefully this doesn't take that long, but we're gonna heat her up first. And I got my beer. Well, I just started it to run it to make sure there ain't nothing grinding on nothing. I decided not to plate it. It is what it is. I'm gonna buy a different locker most likely. But that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna put it on the road and do a burnout. Danny says no, but yes. Well, that's in, that's tight. I'm gonna let that RTV cure for as long as it's supposed to, you know, like probably drink a beer and fill it up with fluid. So Danny says no, Steve says send it. But yeah, I want to do a dual wheel burnout here at some point and deal with this welded diff and see how long it takes for me to break it. So I'm gonna drink a beer and then
fill it up, then go for a ride.
Well, me and
Pedro.
this guy gonna go for a little ride real quick. See what happens. So me and Danny went for a ride, and it's tested and approved. And we'll get you an update that in the next video. For sure, next video gonna be some practice stuff. I might get rid of these spaces up front so I get some more wheel clearance. This thing's fun now. But you guys will see. Right now, like, comment, subscribe, just an update, let you know I'm still here. I don't know if she'll do it. Need more boost. All boost. Boost, period. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. We'll show you some stuff in the next video.